Hi guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ankara tote bag, and these are the materials I'll be using. This is zipper, this African print fabric, scissors, tape rule, and bias tape. So guys, for this bag, this is the measurement we'll be using. I've already ironed interfacing in this fabric, so let's measure. This is 12.5 inches, 12.5 inches width by 11 inches length. 12.5 inches width, 11 inches length. So I'll keep one of the bag aside. Let's work with one. So fold your fabric into two. From that 12.5 inches, that's where you'll be folding. So you fold your fabric like so. Then from this end, you measure 2 inches. Then from this end, you measure 3 inches. So now this is it, 3 inches. So guys, from these 3 inches, you trace out your bag like so. So this is what I'll be cutting out. You cut from this point. So guys, when you are done cutting, you have something like this. So you pick the other side of the bag. You are just going to place this on it, and I will trace it out and also cut it out. So guys, I have traced the other part of the bag out, and this is what we have. So you fold to get the midpoint. From this midpoint now, you measure down 3 inches. You make your mark. Then from these 3 inches, you want to fix the handle. So from center part, 2 inches to this point, and 2 inches to this other side. You're going to fix your handle here. So for the handle, this is it. So let's measure it. This is 16 inches by 3 inches. So what you'll be doing is to fold to this side, fold to this side, fold it, and you run your straight stitch and do the same for the other handle. So guys, this is the handle. I have stitched it, and don't forget that I ironed interfacing on the Ankara fabric before I went to stitch. So the next thing to do is to fix this handle on this mark. So you fold a bit, you run your stitch, then you do the same with this other one. Then this other handle, you fix it same way. So guys, I have fixed the handle. And this is what our bag looks like. The next thing to do is to fix the zipper in between this bag. So this is the zipper. You're going to stitch this way. You run your stitch, and when you are done, open it and top stitch. I have stitched the zip. You can see I also top stitch so you can lay flat. So you join this other side of the bag this way. You stitch down, then you open it, and you also top stitch on it. So guys, I have fixed the zip of the bag. I also top stitch. You can see how neat it is. So the next thing to do is to trim off this excess zip that we have. So after trimming up, we're going to use small piece of Ankara fabric to cover that place up. 2 inches by 1¾ inch. So you fold this way. Stitch it. Then you do the same for this other side. So guys, I have stitched this part. So you can now open your zip and to stay in place. So the next thing to do is to join this bag. You fold this part this way. You mark this point. You also fold this part. You mark this point. Now we have 2 markings. You use your tape to measure it so that we can cut the bottom part. So this is 24 inches for the bottom part. So this is, let's measure it. This is for the bottom part. This is 25 inches, and the extra 1 inch is for joining allowance. When you join half an inch here, half an inch here, you have your 24 inches left. So the width is 4 inches. So this is what you would do. We join this, stitch it, and you also join this. So guys, after stitching, it's time to join the bag. So you use your pin to pin it. So you stitch it round. When you are done, you also stitch this other part round. So guys, I have stitched the bottom part. So before we turn it inside out, this is where you'll be using your bias tape to cover up your stitches. Cover up this rough edge. Use your bias tape, cover it up, and use your bias tape to cover this side also. So guys, I've used bias tape to tape the rough work. You can see how neat the bag is. You can now turn it inside out now. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, comment, like and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.